Hey guys, and welcome to Daily Commitment, where we do just a little bit of exercise, but we exercise every day. Special thanks to Bookie Cuss. Anybody who wants to be part of the Let's Go crew, thanks for the comments. Thanks to Mr. Brain Effer for your comment too, guys. I appreciate it. Um, we're doing the pull-ups today. We're probably going to break them into individual pull-ups to get that form just right. Had a little bit of elbow soreness, so we're going to watch that. Let's go ahead and do our first pull-up. Let's make sure that we don't kick. I'd like to do the first one clean, all the way over the chin, no kick. Let's see if we grab it. Let's see if we get our first one. Let's go, guys. Let's do it every day. Do it every day, guys. Here we go. Going up. I got a good distance here on this particular one. All right, and pull. All right. I kicked just a little bit at the end there. I got up to like here. I was like, oh. I had to kick. When I kicked, no problem. So we're going to pause it for just a second. I'm going to stretch. We're going to do number 2. All right, guys. We waited just like a minute there. I tried to pump myself up a little bit. Let's get this one again. We're going to try no kick. Get as close as we can. And right at the end, we'll do a kick if we need to make sure we get all the way over the chin. Let's do this. Here we go, guys. Let's go, baby. So annoying that I still have to kick to get over the top, because I did that one before earlier when I got all the way over the top with no kicks, but this morning I'm coming up a little bit weaker, which is always a little disappointing, but we can get that. We're going to focus on quality. Even if I get a little kick, we'll make sure we get over the top. We're going to make sure we focus on getting really good letdowns. That's when I really slowly let myself down. That's going to make a difference too. So we're going to do all of that. Here we go. Let's do one more of these right here. I'm not even going to take a break and like try to psych myself up. Let's just go up there. We'll get as close as we can like this. Then we'll do our kick. We'll get over. We'll come back. All right, let's do it. Let's do this, guys. Close as we can before we kick here. All right, guys. That sucked. That sucked. That was only our third one. And even though I was kicking, I couldn't get my chin over the top. So that's actually worse than last time we did this exercise, but that's okay. We're going to convert to the letdowns now. I'm going to jump up there. I'm going to very slowly let down, all right? So let's do that. It's a little disappointing. A little disappointing to only get 3 today, but there's no reason to do another one where I'm not getting that complete. I want to be all the way up. I want to engage my muscles at the top. The very last little bit is the hard part. So I want to jump up, get all the way up to that last little bit, and then hold it. Hold it for a little bit and burn out that little end bit. Then slowly let down. Then burn out the rest of it. All right, so let's do this, guys. All right, just jump all the way up. Oh, just hold it, baby. Hold it, baby. Whew. That was good. I held it really good there. Again, I'm going to jump up there. I'm going to hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. And slowly let it down. Slowly let it down. Let's do it again, guys. All right, we're going to jump up. Whew. Definitely run out of zip there. That one I couldn't hold as long. I think my hands were a little too close. So I'm going to pull my hands a little further apart. We're going to jump up again. Do it again, guys. A little further apart on the hands this time. Now let's come up. Let's jump. All right, that was good. The little further apart in the hands was good. Whew, wearing myself out. All right, we're gonna do one more of these. Then I'm probably just gonna do some squats in place to wear out the cardio. I don't feel like I killed myself on the squats yesterday, so we'll probably do that since we didn't do any cardio after these guys last time. So I'd like to do that this time. Let's go ahead and do it here. Again, we want to hold at the top as long as possible. All right, let's jump. All right, that was good. And again, I'm not even going to change the camera angle or anything. I'm just going to come right here. I'm going to drop down, clear it out so I'm not stepping on any of these gumballs over here. Clear it out, try to get our feet spaced pretty good. I'm just going to come down, space out my feet a little bit more. Come on down, make sure that head's tucked. And we're just going to do a few of these. Now, yesterday we did our squats, and I definitely felt it. We only did 8 of the weighted last time. And then I didn't do too many cardio squats afterwards. But this is good, just do a few squats here, burn out our cardio a little bit more. But I don't want to do a ton. I can feel my right knee specifically is a little bit sore from yesterday from doing the squats, which I don't know if I put extra pressure on it. It's weird, it's this spot like right here. So just be gentle. That was just a little extra cardio to go with these guys. Remember guys, it's a little bit every day, really does add up to a lot. Make it a habit. Once you make it a habit, you make it easy. You make it easy, you increase slowly. All that stuff, guys. All that stuff. So if you made it this far, hit the magical subscribe button down up there. Going down to the bottom, choose all. Hit the bell button, Anyway, have a good one, guys. We'll see you next time right here on Daily Commitment. Bye, guys.